Hey guys, today we're going to do a review on the Demon SU4B by Cross RC. This thing's pretty sweet from what I can tell so far.
That it is. It comes with all kinds of, this is 100% scale build. Painted, you got to paint the body, you got to completely build this. The only thing I can think of that's the most scale part about it is the 305mm wheelbase. Most of my rigs come in at 313mm. That's okay, but for this rig, they wanted to keep it as scale as possible.
One of our buddies actually got this truck and wanted us to do a unboxing and a review on it. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna do the unboxing and show you guys what all it comes with, and then we're gonna take it for a spin probably tomorrow, since it's kind of late this evening.
Yeah, sounds fine. Let's give a little more information about it here. It does come with there's 3 different versions to start out with. There's the A, B, and C version. 3 different price points. $330, $379, and then you got the $400 version, which is completely decked out, metal, everything, CNC, everything. What you say we get to unbox? All right. Let's see here. All right. First off, I notice some dash. Let's see, the grill and the inner dash.
Is that the part that's chromed out on the box?
Yes, actually on the box. Here, let me slide it around and show. She's talking about the grill here. It's not chrome. On the box it is. However,
you can paint it however you want, I guess.
Yes, you can paint it.
That makes sense.
It does come with some chrome. Your LED housings, and that's also your headlights. Actually, that's actually your cage lights, your roof lights. That's maybe. I may have to look at this. Oh, that's actually the headlights. Sorry, guys. You got your window. Nice insert. Easy to paint a hard body like that. Looking like we're gonna have a gray body, primer gray. Do our own painting, our buddy will. You got your steering wheel, all your internals, interior. All of it's looking good so far. A lot of your just interior parts, fender wells, lots of stuff like that. Let's get into the good stuff.
Does it come with people?
No, it doesn't come with people. Let's see what kind of tire it comes with.
Ooh, those are nice.
They feel good. Black Rock. They feel good. They're 115mm by 45mm.
Let's see those.
Nice and sticky, huh?
So you can kind of see the tread and stuff there too. Yeah, those are nice. I like those.
Oh yes. Feel real nice. Comes with phones. Don't know if you see that. Let's see here. Put them off to the side. Axles. Yes, I'm sure you want to see those. This version does come with the plastic. Let's see there. Get it nice and close here. That's what you're looking at. Oh. Okay. Slide that back in. Nice set of axles. Metal internals. It does come with a motor and a transfer case.
That's nice. A lot of your kits don't come with motors. You have to buy those separately, so that's pretty nice that this does come with that.
Let's see here. Let me give you a better look here. Just the motor and the gear reduction. That's exactly what you got here. And here there's a gear coming off your motor, reducted, and then your output.
What's that do?
What, this?
Yeah.
That's a reduction chamber for reduction gears.
But what does it do?
More torque, adds torque.
Oh, okay.
Gives you a smoother flow as you're crawling.
Gotcha.
Less pull on the trigger to get what you want out of your wheels. 35 turn. Nice looking motor.
Nice.
Cross motor. Let's see here.
I honestly had never heard of this brand before he showed this to us.
Got the wheel, spare wheel, the bumpers, which was also depicted as chrome. You can chrome them yourself.
Paint them whatever color you want.
Yeah, whatever color you want. Comes with all the hardware. That's nice to know. Best part of all.
Metal wheels?
Really heavy metal wheels.
Are those black or silver?
Those are, I call them charcoal gray.
I wonder if these can be painted too. They look silver on the box.
They do look paintable. I mean, depending on your driving style, is how long your paint will last.
One thing that I did notice when I was looking over the box was there's a couple of different types of wheels and tires that come with these kits. So depending on if you get the A, B, or C version will kind of depend on what types of tires and wheels you get.
Yes. Let's see here.
Those are heavy.
Yes, they are. That'll help with the traction. Love it.
It's also 3 pieces.
Lower
I like
gravity. Heavier bottom on gravity. Side hilling, climbing, all around better. Let's see. I'm actually going to move this box here. Oh, first, I'm going to show you these rails. Oh, let's see.
Those look pretty sweet. Are those metal?
Yes. Yes. CNC steel. Pretty
Gotcha.
Sure.
Does this one comes with all metal too, right? The B version?
Yeah.
Mostly.
Oh, yes. Yes. Metal rims, metal internals on your axles, transmission, transfer case, rails, many things. Lots of good stuff here. C channel, by the way.
This definitely isn't too bad of a price point for what is included in the kit.
All the interior, real scaler's dream. Getting all that interior.
That's nice.
Even comes with some silicone shock oil. Comes with shock oil.
Oh, wow.
Yes, and grease. Heck yeah, they set you up. Well, for the price, I would expect to be set up. Oh, nice.
What's all that?
That is slider rails. Comes with
Oh,
sliders.
wow.
Sliders, and looks like
This is a complete kit, guys.
that's your transmission and transfer case mounting. Alright, I'm gonna kind of set some of this stuff back in here out of the way. Let's see.
That has to be the body because we haven't ran into it yet.
It must be. Let's see. Let's see here. I'm gonna stick them up.
Drum roll, please.
Let's set this off. Let's see here. Oh, that's nice. First thing I see is chrome. Chrome.
You guys and your chrome, man.
Yes. Good looking body. Hard body. Lashes together.
I'm gonna have to get me one of
like
these kits.
so. And you got a nice hard body.
Does that have a movable hood?
Yes. You click this. The hood actually laid. Let's see here. Let's see right there.
I just saw
Here's your
places
hood.
for what look like clips. Nice.
Yep, that's your hood. And whatever color you want on your body. Make it look however you want. Make it yours.
It'd be pretty sweet if you could get like one of those mountable motors, like on the old school cars, and just put it underneath the hood, you know, just to look sweet. What else is in there?
All
It
kinds
comes
of
with a
stuff.
roof rack.
Yes, roof rack.
It does come with a roof rack.
Better yet,
Nice.
LED light kit, guys. Comes with it.
Ooh.
All your lights included. All your electronics, not electronics, light electronics. Shocks, mirrors, all that good stuff.
Let's see the shocks. I think he was saying that it was supposed to come with metal shocks.
They are metal, CNC cut metal.
Those are,
Some high
Yes,
quality,
those
nice
are-
shocks.
you can see there.
Very nice. Alright. That's a nice looking truck.
I like
When
it.
it's built, I can't wait till it's built.